to share to this. Sorry, I had no plans to come, but I couldn't resist that I want to be here and learn that way as well.
Fault is fault.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
No,
so
live,
Saturday.
nothing like live sessions ever. Nothing like live and live interactive sessions. Never.
Hi everyone, this is Ankit. I'm 35 years of age and working for a corporate bank. So the intention to choose and to participate in this program was to brush up my pronunciation skills. And I am good at many things and I'm not good at many. So Sapna ma'am, after that brief introduction and the assessment that what she did, so she gave me the insight that where I was, missing out and where I need to improve that way. So even during the course of the program, she helped me in at each and every level how and why I was making that mistake. So it was not with the day-to-day things. Actually, we miss out the understandings. So now whenever I'm getting all those words, even while drafting the exercise and something, so I'm pretty sure that, okay, those pointers are there so that I'm not making all those, previous mistakes. Yes, I'm learning that way. But yes, I got the identification where I was missing out. So that way the program helped me in the best way possible. And I'm so glad that I joined it. I missed one session that when I'm feeling that yes. And I will request Sapna ma'am that, allow me to have a recording as well later on. Thank you, and thank you all the partners and participants.